A lot of your customers love planting in pots and raised beds. It's a big trend right now, but a lot of them aren't getting the results they're expecting. The first year, results are pretty good. Second year, so-so. And year after that, they're just no good at all. But we have a solution for you. Enter Remix. Now here's a demo we have set up. We have 2 of the same containers, potting soil in both. Now I'm gonna add Remix to this one and plant some zucchinis. So this size container, we're gonna take about 5 cups of Remix. 1, 5. And with Remix, you really gotta blend it into the soil, so we'll get our hands dirty here. Now again, everything's the same. We've got the best potting soil we could find in both of these. Remix in this one, not in this one. So let's plant some zucchinis. Put 2 of them in each container. 1, 2. Tuck them into bed. And make sure when you're planting these to not let the soil come in contact with the stems of the plants. We don't want to bury them too deep. Water them in and let's see what the results are. We did this demo 2 weeks ago and wow, look at the difference. You can really tell how much this one is growing with Remix. Let's see what another 2 weeks can do. You gotta be kidding me. This is after 4 weeks. This one's almost dying here while Remix plants are doing awesome. Remember, that's Remix to turn any potting soil into a super soil.